Today we're going to talk about permutations, combinations, and counting principle. This paper slide is made by Stephen Pai and Jake Delosangeles. So first you have to know the symbols. The P represents permutation and C represents combination. N means the overall sample size you're choosing, and R represents how many you're picking. First, we talk about the permutation. For permutation, order is important, but no item can repeat. So here's the example problem. For a segment of a radio show, a disc jockey can play 4 songs. If there are 8 to select from, in how many ways can the program for this segment be arranged? So now here we can see 8 is the overall sample size we're choosing, so 8 is N. And 4 is how many we're picking from, so 4 is R. And we have to use permutation because the order does matter for this problem. And you put this in your calculator and your answer is 1,680. For combination, the order does not matter, but same with permutation, no item can repeat. Here's an example problem. A book club offers a choice of 8 books from a list of 40. In how many ways can a member make a collection? Here, 40 is your overall sample size, which is N, and 8 is how many you're picking from. Here, the order does not matter, so you use combination, and you put this in your calculator, and this is your answer. Counting principle is when you need to use it more than once because you need to choose from different groups. So it's like you need to use combination, but you need to use it more than once because there's different groups, there's more possibilities. Here's an example problem. You want to get a cell phone and you must decide on the right plan. If there are 10 different phones, 6 different calling plans, and 3 different texting plans, in how many different plans could you pick from if you can choose 1 phone, 1 calling plan, and 1 texting plan? Here we can see there's 3 different groups we're picking from. It's the different phones, different calling plans, and different texting plans, and we can only choose 1 for each of them. So you multiply them all together, and the order does not matter for this problem, so use combination. For the first group, there's 10 different phones, so 10 is your N, which is your overall sample size, and you can only choose 1, so 1 is your R, and then you multiply the second group, which is the 6 different calling plans. 6 is your N, and you can only choose 1, so 1 is your R, and then you multiply the 3 different texting plans. 3 is your overall sample size, and 1 is your picking from, and then you multiply all this together, you put it into your calculator, and this is your answer. And that's it. You learned it all.
See, guys, math can be fun.